Welcome back to the channel. If you are in the USA and you are looking for a proven way to make money online without spending months building a website or creating products, then stay tuned. Because today, I'm going to share with you something that could help you launch a real online business, and it is called Kiddy Store Fortune. Now, let us be real. Starting an online business can feel overwhelming. You need a domain, hosting, a professional store design, products to sell, marketing content, legal pages. The list goes on and on. Most people get stuck before they even make their first dollar. But what if you could skip all that frustration and launch a ready-to-go business that is already set up for you? That is exactly what Kiddy Store Fortune offers. So what is Kiddy Store Fortune? It is a done-for-you e-commerce store that sells digital kids printables, things like activity sheets, educational games, coloring pages, planners, and much more. And here is why that matters. The kids' printable market in the USA is booming. Parents are always looking for fun, affordable, and educational activities for their kids, especially things they can download instantly and use at home. With Kiddy Store Fortune, you are not starting from scratch. You are getting a fully designed WordPress WooCommerce store, 10,000 plus printable pages already preloaded, 60 plus ready-to-sell products uploaded into the store, professionally written sales copy, blog posts, and legal pages, a done-for-you promo video and social media graphics, step-by-step training and 1-year support. Basically, you are walking into a business that is ready to go live on day one. Imagine this. You launch your site, promote your store on social media, and someone in the USA buys a printable pack for their kids. They download it instantly, and you make money right away. No shipping, no inventory, no customer headaches, just pure digital sales. That is the beauty of selling printables. Now, you might be wondering, but will this really work for me? Here is the thing. The creators of Kiddy Store Fortune built this package with beginners in mind. Even if you have never built a website before, the setup is simple because everything is already done. And since it is digital products, your overhead costs are basically zero. Plus, they give you a full 30-day money-back guarantee, so there is no risk in trying it out. The kids' education and activities niche in the USA is massive, worth billions of dollars. Parents are constantly searching online for easy, affordable, and creative ways to keep their children engaged. By tapping into this market with a DIY store like Kiddy Store Fortune, you position yourself to earn passive income from a product people actually want and need. So, if you are serious about starting a side hustle or even a full-time online business, Kiddy Store Fortune gives you the shortcut. Instead of wasting months trying to figure it out on your own, you can launch a professional, ready-to-sell store in just a few clicks. I will leave the link in the description below. Go ahead, check it out, and grab your copy today. Remember, opportunities like this do not come around often. The sooner you start, the sooner you can begin earning. Whether you want to make some extra money on the side or build a real digital business for the long term, this is your chance to take action. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more online business ideas, and do not forget to click the link below to get started with Kiddy Store Fortune. See you in the next video.